All right, we're back. Another day here, Bobby's backyard. Today, working on the 2013 Jetta. Yes, again, this is the one I did the door and the fender. Well, now I got to do a bumper and a fender. Dun, 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 bam! There you go. So I already got all the parts and everything. I just have to got the headlight in the garage. I'll show you what's up with that, but I'm gonna pick me up a plastic welder, Harbor Freight. So be right back. And we're back. It's the next day. Got a little late on me yesterday, so I didn't start on the Jetta, but I don't know where I left off. But here's one of the fog light pieces. He did have it, so that's good. Slapped that on the new one. I did get a used headlight too. I gotta fix it. You got it super cheap because there's a hole right there. That's all right though. Cut a piece of the bumper off and then put it back there with some glue or whatever, epoxy. Cover that up. That should be no problem. And it looks like they come off pretty easy. Looks like a Torx here, that's right there and right there, and it should slide out. Unplug it, and then on the fender it's pretty easy. Pretty much I did it on that side. Like I said, I'll put a link down below of the video of me doing the fender and the door. But 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Open the door. Got one in there. And then you got two from the inside here. Let me see. There you go. One right there. Another one right there. And then you got one inside the fender down in here. And then the fender comes off. Bumper. I think I just got to take clips off the bottom of the splash shield. 10 millimeter bolt here. Clips. And that comes right off. Oh, and I got some Torx right here, here, and here. So let's get to work. See if we can get this thing apart. Should be a quick fix. And this is the one that I did do the control arms on. I got to put it on the ramps and redo the load on the suspension. Makes a little bit of a squeaky noise, so I don't think I had enough load last time, so I'm going to do that also. Alright, got the bumper off. Super easy. And then this side was already halfway off anyway, so yeah, super easy. Clips into here, those spots, and like I said, they're Torx. Yeah, right here is Torx. This one right here, 27, I think, T27, not sure. But I got the bumper bare now. Took out the toe cover, the fake fog light covers, and bottom grill, and I got the top grill off. All right here, fog light, grill, and the other fog light. Oops, and the other fog light. So I got all those pieces, reuse those. Whew, it's hot. Now I'm gonna glue, hot glue. Where is it? Ah, here's the bottom. This is the bottom bottom grill. So I'm gonna glue this down so it stays down. He knows it's broke. I'm gonna glue that down. Got the hot glue getting ready. So I'm gonna chop up this bumper, throw it away. And there you have it. Got the fender off. Like I said, mounting point there, there, here, here, here. And then I took off the bracket, right here. It bolts on, and then it comes off, and I took off the headlights, or one headlight. So now what I'm going to do, since the bumper's off, I'm going to put it on ramps and redo the suspension, take off the load, and then tighten it with the load again. Like I said, I don't think I had enough load on it the first time, so let's do that. All right, see, got it on ramps. I loosened this bolt right there, and as soon as I loosened it up, the A-arm moved. So yes, I did not have enough load on it, so now it shouldn't make any noise. Got some new ball joints and the new control arm. both sides. I loosened that bolt, didn't move too much. The A-arm, control arm, however you want to say it, but this one did move, so it relieved some stress. So now I'm going to tighten them. Should be good. Alright, for the headlight, I went a different route. I didn't get no plastic welding kit or anything. What I did is that I, on the inside, took off this cover. And on the inside, I put a piece of bumper in there, hot glued it in. And then I put some epoxy to fill in the holes. And now I put some black RTV to seal it, so it shouldn't leak now. Alright, she is all put together. All the gaps look good. Everything lined up, so he didn't hit it too bad. But, yep, all done. Alright. That's going to end this Bobby's Backyard Auto Works on the Jetta. Please like, share, subscribe. And I appreciate all you guys that support me. Talk to you guys later.